Well, welcome. I was introduced to this event actually in a really short notice. So the background is from my football practice here. So YellowMay, the global AI marketplace of insurances, and why we actually wanted to build this, because we felt that there isn't any similar kind there in the market, and also that we can exploit the existing market already being there for marketing of insurances. And well, in general, insurances are boring. They kind of are. No one is really interested of them. And what the outcome of it is that then people also are considering that insurances are complex. You cannot find a proper product, and kind of it's really difficult to find own suitable products for different needs and for different purposes. And also for insurance companies, when we look at the marketing spending that they use for insurances in general, well, it's quite costly to access the global market there. So we saw that there's an opportunity for us to deliver something unique. And what was our solution? Well, we feel that the insurer and the consumer needs to be combined and connected in the middle with a platform. And how the platform works, well, we actually use AI for seeking the products, and then we deliver the products to the consumers with using an algorithm giving the best results in the end. And our uniqueness in this is that when you look at the platform, there's one single question per insurance area or insurance product area. And that means basically that this is window shopping of insurances. We're not delivering the end solution in the end. We deliver really good comparison in based of terms and conditions. And that is the true value for the user. Because if we look at after COVID, people are really aware of the fact that they want products that are really good covering something, not that the product description looks like it or it has fancy applications that you can use. In the end of the day, they are looking for really good products. So the market there is big. As we look at the size of the industry, well, it's 1.1 trillion euros as total being spent for sales and marketing in insurance. And if we look at it when we are benchmarking it to our scope going towards 2025, well, we actually wanted to take it moderate, but if we look at the outcome there, it can be a lot bigger than 240 million in 2025. But in the end of the day, the business and the scope there is enormous. And then when we look at the competition, there are the traditional brokers and aggregators, but basically they are already dead from the industry. And no one is really anymore seeking products in that sense from these, because the broker and the aggregator business does not grow. So they are looking for direct information from independent, transparent providers like we are, and where they want to see that, okay, what is out there without any commitment before. So we all know that this the consumer is changing, and it's changing that they need to get the information in 15 seconds, not in 5 minutes. And I would say the biggest competitors there in the future, in the end of the day, they will be the tech giants that are starting to basically overrule the whole insurance business. And that also creates the traction for us in the form of customers, that they are interested of partnering up with us, because we are enabling their products from a different angle than the competitors are currently delivering.
I'm very sorry, but the time is up. It's just maybe one last phrase.
Yes. Yeah, well, this is basically, well, where we are now, creating revenue already from the platform, running new schemes on it, and then what is there on the outcome. There we are. questions.
Can you tell a little bit more about your traction?
The traction is currently that we have had 2 million viewers on the platform so far, and we've been there up and running, marketing the platform there from the beginning of November 2019. And if we look at it from the market scope, we actually have focused primarily for Germany, where we have 1.2 million visitors on the site. And then if we look at, for example, the average customer acquisition cost there it's 0.29 cents per user to get them onto the site. So kind of, and then to go ahead, because we create our revenue from the leads.
Any other questions? If no,
maybe it's the point to say to the judges to remind them to vote.
yeah, of course. I'm just I'm just wondering if there are any questions left to Juicy, and that we can proceed to. If
Exactly.
no.
So yeah. So and basically we are in the stage of well, fundraising there as well currently. So to increase the scope of the products there, that what is on our platform.